What do icons like Marilyn Monroe, The Rock, Adele, and Sabrina Carpenter have in common? It's not just fame, beauty, or some hidden cheat code that the rest of us don't have, and yet the world remains fascinated by them. Marilyn Monroe, an icon whose allure hasn't faded for decades. Sabrina Carpenter, dominating charts and social media. The Rock, one of the most followed people on Instagram. Adele, she vanishes for years, drops a song, and suddenly the entire world is singing along. But what makes them truly unforgettable? There's a deeper reason we're drawn to certain individuals, and today, we're breaking it down so you can tap into it for yourself. Welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Misha, and I help people embrace their power, amplify their confidence, and become their most magnetic selves. If that sounds like something you're into, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Now let's get into today's topic. The secret behind unforgettable people. Why do some people linger in your mind while others fade into the background? It's not just talent or personality, it's contrast. Think about it. The most captivating figures in history, pop culture, and even fiction aren't one-dimensional. They embody seemingly opposite qualities, making them intriguing and impossible to ignore. Let's take Marilyn Monroe. She wasn't just a bombshell, she was a fascinating mix of innocence and seduction. Her soft, airy voice and playful demeanor made her seem delicate and sweet. But then, with a shift in posture or a sultry glance, she became confident, powerful, and entirely in control. This contrast made her magnetic. The power of opposites. Now, how does this apply to someone like The Rock? He's a former wrestler, a towering action star, and a symbol of strength. But what else? He's hilarious, posts wholesome dad content, and will belt out Disney songs without hesitation. That mix of toughness and warmth, that's what makes people love him. Sabrina Carpenter, tiny, feminine, and adorable, yet she's bold, witty, and sings lyrics laced with sharp humor. Adele, dramatic and elegant, the queen of heartbreak anthems, but also loud, hilarious, and completely unfiltered in interviews. See the pattern? Why our brains love contrast. Psychologically, our brains categorize people into simple boxes: funny, serious, confident, shy. But when someone defies these labels, we pay extra attention. It's unexpected, it keeps us engaged, it triggers dopamine, the feel-good chemical, making us hooked on their presence. This is why fictional characters are written with layers. Think of Jack Sparrow, chaotic yet brilliant. L.A. Woods, bubbly yet a genius in disguise. Blair Waldorf, polished yet ruthless. These characters break expectations, making them unforgettable. How this affects attraction. This applies to romance too. Ever wonder why the stereotypical nice guy isn't as appealing as the gentleman? The nice guy is predictable, always agreeable, always accommodating. But the gentleman, he's kind and chivalrous, but also confident, assertive, and protective. He has layers. He's interesting. For women, the same principle applies. A woman who is both sweet and assertive, soft yet independent, playful yet deep. She's magnetic. She isn't easily categorized, and that makes her unforgettable. How to tap into your own magnetism. Here's the best part. You don't have to fake anything. You already have contrast within you, but many people suppress parts of themselves to fit a single image. Stop limiting yourself. Embrace all aspects of who you are. Think about 2 qualities in yourself that seem opposite. Are you ambitious yet nurturing, bold yet introspective, fiercely independent yet deeply romantic? Lean into that. Own it. The most magnetic people don't choose one identity. They confidently embrace all sides of themselves. If you want to elevate your presence, stop trying to fit into a box. Instead, let your complexity shine. That's what makes someone truly unforgettable. Want to take this deeper? Check out my videos on embracing your full self, whether it's stepping into your soft light energy or unlocking your bold dark energy. See you in the next one.